Hey there, family. We are ready to set up reset space number 2. I still have to take this down, that down, the mantle headboard coming out, all of this contact paper here, you guys, is coming out. Now, I have already started. You guys, let me know in the comment, what does this color look like to you? It is Sherwin-Williams, and this is the Ovation brand of the paint. It's the more expensive one, and it is fashionable gray. I do know far as color, the way I see colors is a little bit off. So to me, this looks like it has a lavender hue. Drop me in a comment if you think it is more of a solid gray hue. Now, I'm not going to let you see me doing all of the painting. We're going to do this in typical YouTube fashion. I'm going to take this down, take this out. So, and I'm going to finish. So in typical YouTube fashion, you have this. And just like that, in the snap of a finger, we have coat 1 done. And I just hope, this is looking great, you guys. Let me know in the comments. I hope you are enjoying my whole house reset. I'm going to take you all the way through. Once again, this is coming down. This is coming out. I'm going to take that down. You guys, all of this on this wall here is contact paper. I started it in this spot here because I still have to have the block, and when I get through, I'm going to pin that block here in this cutout groove, which works good for me. I'm going to pin it here, so when my TV goes on the wall, the block will be hid and you'll never see this cord, because once that connects in, it connects into the block. And my power source will come this way and catch my cord hider as well. I'm either going to come from right in here or the corner. And I may do it from the corner because I'm thinking with TT space, I'm going to have a little bit extra. So, with that being said, I'm going to take the one, come around, and I'm going to take the one and come around and go that route just to see how far I end up, which is going to require me to unroll one of hers, take it out, but I'm not going to pull it out. I'm going to unroll it first and see lengthwise, can I So I'm gonna unroll that one first. Then go here to see if I can start in that corner. And you guys, this light is coming out. It's going to my nephew. But I'm going to start to see if I can take it from this corner here down and go up. Then come around this way, either this way. It doesn't matter which way I roll it. I just need my conjunction piece to be over here in the corner. As you can see, we do have the TV lights on. I also have on the other string lights. It took me a minute because I was determined to finish. So I put this TV up by myself with the utilization of the bed. So with that being said, let's get these lights around her ceiling so we can start putting the bed together, the 2 nightstands and the dresser, and probably get that and putting that carpet down inside of this video. We have that whole top done. Well, as I told you guys, I was going to show you the furniture pieces. This is the bed, the 2 nightstands or bedside table, and the dresser. I have the honor of putting it all together. There's TT mattress. I'm going to drop the link for this mattress into the description because this was with a sponsorship. Can't remember the company offhand, but I'm going to put it on the screen. And you guys, look at that fashionable gray Sherwin-Williams paint. And it looks lovely. I have turned off her lights, and I'm going to put these together. Then we're going to actually get this room put together. And I think I'm going to do the dresser first because I think it's going to take me longer to do that. And the nightstands, the bed will be last. I know it's going to take less for me to do the bed. And that's why I'm opting to do it last, so I can have kind of do it in the order of getting it out of the way, because the dresser will go here, and I want to do that so I can set all of this in place. I have put the dresser together. I'm gonna tell you, I should have opted to call Angie's List and got a handyman, because we still got to do the bed and the 2 nightstands. Like I told you guys, I let TT pick this out. That's what she wanted. So I am just going to finish this. I'm going to clean this up first so that I can put this in its place over here. And once I do that, you guys, I do think because I needed the measurements, I wanted the accurate measurements. The stand is a slight bit shorter than it stated, just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to, well, no, I've already put up the lights. Well, I'm going to have to leave the TV in that position. And it's going to be that much difference between the stand and the TV. A little too much for me. Just a little bit. I'm going to see, well, no. Because by me putting the lights up, I wish I had waited. I wish I had waited. But I think I'm going to opt to build a small platform to raise it up and give me some little extra storage for my modem and my router. I am going to, as you can see, the mattress is sitting there. I'm going to put the mattress on. Then once we do that, I'm going to have to move everything out of the way. All of this. Get it all out the way after I get the mattress on, but the mattress is going to clear up some space and I can position the nightstand. Now, I am still going to put the bed back against this wall here, this way, so that we can put both of the nightstands out. And once I get the mattress on, and I am going to start the decorating of the space.